go early to meet with career services because career services not only can help you within finding a job or finding internships or working on your cover letter, they can also help you figure out what career path and what majors you should start looking into while you continue your journey within the university.
On my first visit with Career Services, we sat down and she made out a plan for me on things that I should have accomplished by certain dates, so that way I wasn't overwhelmed.
An advisor had recommended me to go see them, to see what options were out there for what I was looking at far as a major. I was back and forth, but then realized that the arts and music was where my passion, and fashion was where my passion was.
I was most impressed about how helpful they were in general, not just with finding a job after college, but everything else that went into that process.
Coming from high school, my resume I thought looked great. But once I got to career services, I realized how different high school and college was, I think. It was a lot of just aha moments, like, okay, I shouldn't have this in my resume. There's a lot more impressive things I could have in there. Once I got the finished resume, it was something that, I realized that I needed all along.
I didn't think that I had enough on my resume to stand out, but the office really showed me that I had gained skills as a student worker and that the things that I was doing in the classrooms with my field experience and my service learning project were all things that I could put on my resume to make it stand out more to potential schools that I applied for.
During my senior year of college, I decided to go into the Career Services office to get help with applying for my current position. The staff member in there helped me take the job description and the skill sets that were preferred to really show me how to put that all in writing and how to put it in my cover letter and resume.
They can help guide you on a more long-term path than you could if you just try to figure it out in the last 2 years.
I wasn't ready for the job search process, and I quickly learned that I had to take the initiative and find these jobs.
This summer at Procter & Gamble's helped me see what I want to do and really showed me what a day in the life of one of these engineers is like. I would say to anybody trying to get an internship or a co-op, I would say apply fast, early and often, and then have as many options as you can. If you get a lot of offers, just get it out there as early as you can.
I got a confidence that I didn't have before.